I don't know what just happened, but I was using my Bissell and it just completely, it broke off. It just completely broke off while I was vacuuming. This is why I should never vacuum. Like, it literally broke into pieces. So now I don't know what I do.
We're on the phone with Bissell.
Vacuum and then the base, correct? Okay, thank you. Okay, got it.
It appears we may have lucked out. The device evidently is still under warranty for a few short weeks. And so we were on the phone and instructed to take it apart, and it is now in several pieces. We are just under the wire, and we will be able to get it repaired somehow. Stay tuned. So the Bissell saga continues. I just came from the mailbox, and judging by the size of the box that was delivered, which is this box here that I've partially opened, it does not appear that the right part was ordered or delivered. Because, oh, of course, looky. They sent me the bottom of it, and not the handle. Looks like I'm in for another 45-minute phone call.
I understand what you're saying. I am not able to do what you're saying.
I found a big box. Let's see what's in it. Aha! Looks like a handle. And another part. Well, it seems to fit together just fine. So now let's see what happens when I take it on a maiden voyage. Don't let me down, Bissell. Fantastic! So the good news is they covered it for free. The bad news is now I have to vacuum my entire apartment. Oh well.